Well, my little dual action air sander gave up the ghost. I think I bought this in it was spring break and I was in college. So 97, 98. I don't remember exactly what year it was. I remembered it actually had pictures of when I replaced that fender flare on my old 83 Ford Ranger. So I went and looked through my photo albums, and sure enough, I did that in March of 1997. And that is when I bought this dual action sander. So 26 years old, almost exactly. And it is locked up tight. It's actually wobbly to the side. So I'm wondering if a bearing went out. So I'm gonna go ahead and tear it apart. See what happened, and I don't know, if it's something simple then maybe I can save myself $100. If not, well, at least I learned something. Okay, so we got some hex screws there, so is that gonna work? Oh, that is so nice. Man, I really like this little impact gun. I bought this with my own money. So, you know, not advertising for a brand or anything here, but little Harbor Freight Hercules impact driver, and I've been using the snot out of this thing. Alright. Well, that comes off of there. Looks like I actually need to take that off in order to get that off. Should have saw that coming. I've lost my screws. There we go. Alright. Seal. Found my two screws. That was easy. Alright, so stuff over there, stuff over here. Oh, that bolts on, I see. Okay, that's interesting. Well, it's spinning. Wait. What's spinning? Wait a second. What's going on here? Oh! Is that all it is? This little hex screw is loose. I think that just needs to be tightened up because it looks like it's hitting. It came loose and it's hitting on the shield here. Alright, just tighten that up. Not that size. Uh-oh. There. Sometimes I have a little trouble getting these bits changed. Oh yeah. I'm really screwing that thing in there, man. Wow. I can't believe it's that loose. Oh, hey, now it's took all the slack out of it. Ah, shoot. That'll. Look at that. It spins great now. Yeah. That thing just came loose. That thing's spinning free as can be, and that head's not loose now. Oh, that is nice. Well, I just saved myself $100 damn. Rubber thingy out of there. Get you back in there. Get you turned over there. Look at that. Woohoo. That's amazing. Alright, let's plug this thing in and see if it spins right round. Yeah. Easy peasy. Look at that. Son of a gun. Nice.